Hello there from the NFS team. For our project, we've made an web-controlled Arduino car. We basically bought a cheap RC car from the store. We replaced the internals of the car with an Arduino ESP32 board and a L298N motor driver. For the power source, we kept the 6 AA batteries for the motors and used the portable battery for the Arduino. For the controls, we made a web server on the Arduino board to which we can connect with any browser via Wi-Fi. And if we connect with a phone, we can use the Bluetooth Xbox controller. The client has some JavaScript code that reads the controller input and sends it to the ESP32 board. Here we have a scenario where the car can be modified into a medical drone. It drives to the accident location and gives first aid to the injured giraffe. It's also capable of transporting the wounded to the nearest hospital.